Brad Williams, Excel Primed. How about we show the next 12 years from project start using, looks like we're going to use the date function, the sequence function, year, month, and day. How about future years? Well, we're going to use the sequence function in the years. Let's take a look here. Over here to the right, using the sequence function alongside the year, month, and day function, you can generate a list of dates organized by year. Well, similar to, that previous tutorial. Do you remember the last example? We used the date function and we buried within it the sequence. And then we know that we can set whatever we want in terms of year, month, day. We're not going to go over, if you don't understand the year, month, day, and sign up for the beginner formula tutorials, and I go over this, generating a series of 12 start dates with 1 year increments, starting with, whatever this date is, April 1st. Sequence function, and sequence is active. In other words, it spills. So you're going to see here highlighted in blue, the sequence function. We get rid of the sequence function, it's not going to spill. Good or bad? Now, if you don't want it to spill, what do? You put an @ sign in front here. It's called a intersect. For example, hit @ put the @ sign there. It stops the spill. Good or bad? It's just something that you need to learn and remember if you don't want to spill. Sequence function can generate multiple values as shown here. Notice it's 2029 to 2040. The active list of values returned by sequence are spilled onto the worksheet. Sequence can produce results in rows, columns, or combination of the two. In this instance, the configure parameter here under sequence, here it is, sequence 12-1 years B5. What does that mean? Well, it's going to look at this. What's years? Years is just simply serial number, F9. It's going to go right here, April 1st. The 47209 is the 47,209 days since 1900. Okay, that's the start date. From there, we're going to use sequence to give us 12 years. Because we have it set up as month days, it's going to show month days. If we just wanted years, we can get rid of month and day. If we just wanted years, and this will probably blow up on me, you enter too few arguments. We're going to learn on the fly here. Because the date function says you have to have year, month. If we put 0, 0, 0, we're just going to get 1231. It's not going to give us, it defaults to 0, 0. Years as shown. B5 is the starting point, so sequence returns this particular number. D5 through D16 are populated with the return values after the date function detects the year argument from this list. That's what it's looking for, is this year argument. Then the output is 12 dates, each separated by 1 year, with the starting date April 1st. As shown in the formula, use the sequence function output years with the same starting date. 12-1, so we wanted the same starting date, so we just put 1 here. Future years, said you can just do years. Remove the date function. We asked for all of this stuff here, and I tried to override this by putting zeros there. Well, look, this is how you just get the years. Sequence 12-1 years. Perfect. The anatomy, kind of just walked you through it. Review it. Future years, well, it's pretty straightforward. This is all about practice. So go in here and tear this stuff apart. Add a 2 here. Add a step. Those are optional features that you can throw into sequence. Go back here. Change this up like I tried to and figure out why it blew up. Experiment. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thanks for watching.